What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a quick unboxing and on-feet look of the upcoming Yeezy 500 in the utility black colorway. First off, I just want to give a quick shout out to Soulstop for hooking me up with this shoe early. These are set to drop this coming Saturday, July 7th for $200 US or $280 here in Canada. This marks the third colorway of the Yeezy 500 model alongside the blush colorway as well as the super moon yellow. So if you guys haven't seen my videos for those two previous colorways, I'll add the link to those videos down in the description box below. So for this shoe, I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's essentially the exact same shoe as the other one. The only difference is, of course, the entire shoe is done in this utility black color. My initial thoughts are that the photos that we've seen on social media and on websites and all that stuff, they're actually very deceiving. So in real life, when I actually had these in hand, these are much more of a gray than a black. In fact, in certain lights, this shoe sort of looks like a purplish gray. And with that said, it left me a little bit disappointed. So we still have this very unique looking upper done in a combination of hairy suede, flat suede, mesh, leather, and 3M. One other thing that kind of bugged me was while the majority of the upper is consistent in the same sort of color, this rubber strip that runs along the sides of the shoe, this is much more of a true black than compared to the rest of the shoe. Again, I'm just being nitpicky, but I would have preferred if the color scheme between the two portions were the same. However, the quality of the build, the materials, all that stuff is still very nice, and I had no complaints on that front. Sizing, comfort, and all that stuff remains the same, so for this one I got a size 10, which gave me a very nice snug fit. My feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I could have went with a 10.5 if I wanted a more loose and relaxed fit. So ultimately it depends on how you want the shoe to fit, ranging between true to size or half size up. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and show you guys how these look on feet. Of the three Yeezy 500 colorways so far, just based off of my initial thoughts on this colorway, I'm going to rank them the blush at number 1, the supermoon yellows at number 2, and then this one unfortunately comes in at number 3. Maybe over time, who knows, I may change my mind, but for now, there's just something about the inconsistency between the upper and this rubber portion down here, and the fact that the entire shoe is more of a dark gray than an actual black, that made me not the biggest fan of this colorway. However, for those of you guys who aren't as nitpicky as me, this is a very good option if you want a Yeezy that's very wearable, very versatile, and you don't have to worry too much about getting it dirty or getting scuffed up with wear. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these utility black Yeezy 500s. Once again, these drop this coming Saturday, July 7th, and if you guys are in Canada, these will be available at various boutiques located around the country, including Soulstop. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.